The Twiddler 4 supports over 1 million different key combinations, or chords. To describe how to press a specific chord, we use a logical notation, indicating what to do with your thumb and your fingers. Let's take a look at the breakdown of the Twiddler's layout. The Twiddler has two button areas, the thumb buttons on the top and the finger buttons on the keypad. In Twiddler chord notation, the thumb buttons are labeled as T, followed by the numbers 1 through 4, starting from left to right. The trackpad is designated as 0 in the notation. If you press the second button from the left with your thumb, that's the thumb 2 chord, T for thumb, and 2 for the second button's position. Moving on to the finger buttons, these are labeled as F, followed by a combination of rows 0 to 4 and columns left, middle, and right. The mini circular buttons you see at the top of the keypad are row 0, and the remaining buttons are rows 1 through 4. The columns are labeled L for left, M for middle, and R for right. So if you press the button in the first main row on the left column, that's the F1L chord. F for finger, 1 for the first row, and L for the left column. Let's try this chord. F, 2M, 3R. This means fingers, second row middle, third row right. Now let's add a thumb button to this chord. T4, F, 2M, 3R. Think thumb 4, fingers second middle, third right. Want to make a chord using two buttons on the same row? That's F1MR. How about a chord using the full row? These are bar chords, and they're notated as F1 bar. With over 1 million chords to choose from, it's easy to make typing fast and comfortable.